now?
Yeah, you should be getting up out of here right about now. Let me explain some ground rules here for real. Very good. Let me explain some ground rules here. Serious, real talk. We letting y'all go in here by yourself. Don't end up in Whiskey Bay.
Okay.
You agree?
Right.
You agree? No Whiskey Bay. If somebody come up to you and they start talking to you all crazy, man, take off running or something and go get somebody. Go get an adult or something. Please don't end up in Whiskey Bay. And then Daddy gonna go ballistic. I'm gonna lose it. And the number one rule, we gonna say it together. No boys.
No more.
Absolutely none at all.
Right.
I can see him. I got eyes behind the back of my head. I see my children. As long as we follow them rules, we all right. Y'all have fun. And that man right there is on guard too. No boy. Holla.